This video, we're going to show you how to master data flow diagrams. We'll break down the symbols, levels, and show you how to build one in Lucid. What is a data flow diagram, DFD? At its core, it's a visual representation of how data moves through a system, providing a clear map of inputs and outputs. DFD versus flowchart. When to use which? Use a DFD to analyze how data is handled. Use a flowchart when you need to document the specific sequence of manual steps. Understanding DFD symbols and notations is essential for clarity. Let's look at the 4 primary components you'll use in every diagram, whether you're using Gonsarson or Yurdan-Coda notation. External entities are your sources. Processes are the actions performed on data. Data stores represent where information sits, and flow lines connect them all to show the path. Explaining DFD levels, context diagram, level 0, level 1, level 2, helps you organize complex systems into manageable layers of detail without overwhelming your audience. Level 0, or the context diagram, is your bird's eye view. Level 1 breaks that down into sub-processes, while level 2 dives into the fine details of the system's logic. Now that you know the basics, let's jump into our step-by-step tutorial, how to draw a data flow diagram using the intelligent features found in Lucid. Start by identifying your system's boundaries. In Lucid, drag out an external entity shape to represent your primary data source. Name it clearly so stakeholders understand where the flow begins. Next, add processes to show how that data is transformed. Use Lucid's auto-formatting to snap shapes into place and connect them with arrows to define the specific direction of data flow. With your DFD complete, you have a powerful tool for system analysis. Use Lucid's sharing features to align your team and ensure every data path is accounted for accurately. You're ready to start mapping. Head over to Lucid to access DFD templates and specialized shape libraries. See you in the next video.